A warm greeting to all viewers. In this detailed lesson, we will thoroughly learn and carefully go over the absolutely correct and secure way to effectively change your Apple iPhone's passcode or password, ensuring that you avoid making any common or critical mistakes throughout the entire process. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So go directly to the default settings app found on all iPhones. Open it as you normally would. Then you will need to scroll down just a little bit further until you are able to find the specific option that is clearly labeled Face ID and Passcode, and then you can simply tap on it. Once you are there, you will be required to accurately enter your current passcode or the password that you use for your phone. For example, I will now proceed to enter the passcode at this moment. After that, this particular screen will prominently appear before you, as you can clearly see. Simply scroll down just a little bit further until you are able to locate the specific option that is clearly labeled Change Passcode, and then proceed to gently tap on it to continue. And immediately, this interface will appear in front of you, as you can see. This particular interface was initially introduced by Apple within the operating system, or a significant update, specifically designed for the newer iPhone models. Consequently, we will directly proceed to click within this designated spot. Following this action, you should patiently wait for a period of up to an entire hour. So you can read this article, and after about an hour, we will come back and continue the explanation. Now, we directly click on Turn from this place. And after an hour has passed, as required, you will receive a notification. Pull down the notification bar from the top to the bottom and you will find this important notification. Simply tap on it to proceed with the necessary actions and complete the process. After that, you will need to carefully enter the current passcode that is set up on your phone. This is a crucial step to ensure proper access and security. So, after you have successfully entered the correct passcode into the designated field, you can then proceed to scroll down the screen to reveal more options or continue with the process. Then, I will proceed to carefully click within this specific designated spot on the screen. Following that, I will meticulously enter the secure passcode once more, ensuring its accuracy. And now, as you can clearly observe and see on your display, I am in the process of establishing and setting up an entirely new and distinct passcode, which is visibly presented for your understanding. After successfully setting a brand new passcode, I will proceed to carefully enter it once more to confirm. Following this crucial step, it is highly recommended that you immediately obtain a piece of paper and a reliable writing instrument such as a pen. With these items in hand, meticulously write down this newly established passcode onto the paper. This physical record serves as a vital safeguard, ensuring that you will not inadvertently forget it in the future. Therefore, to reiterate, I will enter the password again for verification, and then it is imperative to write the password down on paper for safekeeping. So, as you can clearly see, the entire process was successfully completed, and now you just need to patiently wait for the comprehensive processing to fully finish. The passcode will be changed through the iCloud servers for iPhone or Apple servers in general. So now we have successfully changed the password. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this list. The comprehensive playlist of some essential iPhone tutorials contains many important and highly beneficial guides that you will certainly like and greatly benefit from, providing valuable insights and practical tips.